Hi guys, it's Kai and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be all about eyelashes. More specifically, I'm going to show you guys how I stack my lashes to kind of customize them to the way that I would like. I actually kind of feel like the thick stacked lashes are even easier to put on because it's a little bit more sturdy, whereas the single lash band takes a little bit more time to put on because it's a little bit more flimsy. So I have here a 301 lash, which is a very standard drag queen eyelash, and they're just very long and spidery. They look just like this. I got these off of eBay. They're made out of human hair. I would not pay any more than like $5 or $6 for a pair of lashes. You can go into Sephora and they will try to sell you like $30 eyelashes. Like, oh, you can rewear these 10 to 20 times. Bitch, I rewear my crusty eBay lashes for like months and months. eBay lashes are the tea, y'all. I have this pack and this pack that I got like last year, maybe even 2 years ago. They're really old. I wouldn't really wear these by themselves because they do have that very fake, like spidery look. You can splurge for some nicer looking lashes that are less than like $10 that look nice and fluffy and wispy. I really like the brand Coco lashes that I buy on Lady Moss Beauty. But the thing is, with all these lashes, they're a little bit too short for our faces. So that's why I like to stack them with the 301s. And the 301s with that long spidery ends just give you nice length. But the reason I won't wear these by themselves is because they're not that full. I'll show you. If you take it off, it's not a very thick eyelash. It's pretty thin, and I like to have a lot of fullness around the base to really add that definition right on my eye. I don't think I have any more of my nice Coco lashes here with me, so I'm just gonna show you guys how to stack together these really cheap eBay pairs. So if you wanna see how it's done, then just keep watching. So this is a pair of 301 lashes. Like I said, I got these from eBay. They're not sold by a specific brand. I think the name 301 just comes from like a generic beauty supply store name as far as I know. A little tip when taking these out of the package, don't rip them out by pulling on the hairs. It can rip the hair apart. Put your thumb on lengthwise on the band and kind of like smudge it out just to make sure the whole thing comes off at once. Sometimes the glue they use to keep these in the package is stronger than it looks, and I've ruined brand new lashes by pulling them out carelessly. And I'm gonna stack them with these other generic eBay lashes. I'd recommend for you to just search up false lashes and look for a style that you like. So the 301s are gonna be like our base lash, and I'm gonna apply glue onto the smaller other lash, which is gonna go on top. And my favorite lash glue is the Duo Brush On Adhesive. I would probably have sex with this glue. I love it so much and I recommend it to everyone. Now look how I'm gluing it on like at an angle. I'm anchoring it to the outside of the lash and actually lifting it up on that corner. Number one, so that it's fuller on the outside and there's more hair out there where your temples are. And two, so it looks like the hairs are longer on the outside. And what I forgot to do in this close-up shot, and you'll see later, is I even trimmed down the hairs on the inside of the lashes of the 301s because they're a little too long for me. I prefer a very graduated look where it goes from very short to very long. Now, I don't always do this. Sometimes I just stack them like normally, like you might think to intuitively do it just by lining up the lash bands. But I wanted to give you guys an idea of something you could try out. If you do try out this method of angling that lash up, keep in mind that up close, people might be able to see that second lash on top that's glued at the angle, so it might be a good idea to get yourself a third pair. Line it up with the lash line of the base bottom lash so that you sandwich that angled up lash in between the two, just so that the fact that it's lifted up is hidden from view. And then your last step could just be to take a little spoolie and brush them all together. It helps make the lashes look less manufactured and more wispy and natural. I know it really didn't look that bad before, but when you look at this side by side before and after, it's like Kylie Jenner before and after discovering lip liner. Alright, I hope you enjoyed seeing really how easy that was. Now I'm going to put these lashes on. So first, I'm going to take my eyelashes off. Actually, before I put these on, I'm noticing one thing that I should have done earlier is I like to snip a little bit of the inner lashes off because I find they're a little bit too long, and I like my inner corner to be a more subtle of eyelash because I really want the drama on the outer corner. And sometimes these lashes are too big for us. And now I'm gonna glue this on. And I like to put it on in the middle first, and then in the inner corner, I secure it down, and the outer corner, I always lift up a little bit because I want that outer corner to be lifted. And if you're not a drag queen and you want your eyelashes to look more real, obviously the entire thing has to sit right on top of your real lashes. But if you really want to lift the eye up and you're wearing thick enough eyeliner to hide it, you can lift the outer corner, which will give your eyes that swooped up effect. Alright guys, and that's how the eyelashes look. The final thing I might do sometimes I'll take a little bit of liquid liner, and then sometimes you can kind of see a little bit of lash glue or a little bit of skin, and you just need to make sure that's fully blackened out. If you wear your lashes many times, sometimes the tops of them can get like makeup on them, get glitter on them, or any type of fallout from the eyeshadow. And there's two ways to fix that. You can clean it, or you can just cover it up with more eyeliner if you're really lazy. And this is the finished lash. And since I showed you the difference between the 301s and these down here, I'll show you the difference on my eyes too, because I think there is a visible difference. So ignore the drying lash glue over here, but just to show you the difference, you can see this eye, the lashes are a lot more spidery, and it's not as full as over here. So let me put back on the good lash. So I hope you guys learned something cool from this video and that you get the chance to try it out on your own if you haven't already been doing this. Customizing your lashes is a great way to just step up your makeup and make your eyes a little bit less amateur looking if that's something that you're worried about. And we created this look with just a couple of cheap eBay lashes. So it's not about finding that perfect style, it's about taking a couple of different styles and putting them together. Shout out to everyone who requested this video, and shout out to all these people who have been tagging me in some of their works on Instagram. Whether you recreate one of my makeup tutorials or my wig tutorials, sewing tutorials, or if you just have a look that you're really proud of and has nothing to do with me, be sure to tag me. I love seeing you guys in my notifications. If you have any requests for future videos, leave them in the comments. But until my next video, I hope you guys are all doing well, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!